Preview PDF Viewer for WordPress add-on. You can show partial view of PDF for restricted visitors by using this add-on. Here you can see the full view of the PDF. And here is the partial view. So what are the benefits of this add-on? Number 1. Security. Your main PDF file will be secured and only the partial view will be available for unauthorized visitors. Number 2. Specific page. The partial view PDF can be created from specific pages. Number 3. Earn money. Admin can select products and visitors can read the PDF after buying that product. Number 4. Membership. Show full PDF to specific members, and many more. This is an add-on of PDF Viewer for WordPress, which is the best Flipbook and PDF Reader plugin since 2014. It's the most favorite also. Protect files fully using WP File Access Manager. Unauthorized visitors will see this sorry page while they will try to access. Possibilities are just endless with Preview PDF Viewer for WordPress add-on. Thanks for watching.